Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where touchpad driver is not showing up in the device manager of your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So we have a command line for you. I'll share it in the description section of the video. It is msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Paste it here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and then it will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution is to update the touchpad drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Okay. And now expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. You would not know which one is the touchpad and which is the external mouse. So right click and select update driver for all the drivers, all the mouse drivers. Okay. The next solution will be to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Next, we have an option called leave the touchpad on when the mouse is connected. Now, I'll show you how this works. So, search for touchpad settings in the Windows search bar and click on touchpad settings. Okay, so you will have to check for this option. Expand touchpad. You'll find this option leave the touchpad on when the mouse is connected. Make sure that this is on and make sure that the switch is on too. Okay, the next solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Now, I'll tell you why this is important. What if a third party software product, and there are a lot of third party software products which manage the properties of your mouse and keyboard. So, if any third party software product is impacting the properties of your mouse, then please try a clean boot to resolve the problem. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.